It's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE class. The M-Class has been reborn as the GLE with updated performance, amazing features, and incredible safety. With its reshaped grille, larger intakes on the front bumper, and sculpted fenders, this GLE class garners instant respect. 5 adults will ride comfortably with ample cargo space enhanced by a power liftgate. From a website or app on your phone, M-Brace connects you to your SUV, and dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, and heated seats help make the ride comfortable and fun. And while the ride is quiet on the inside, this GLE is ready to tackle whatever is happening on the outside with crosswind assist, collision prevention assist plus, and attention assist. The premium SUV that started it all has a new name, but the same attention to detail. Come experience this GLE class today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.